There's a group of weaver birds making some nests just outside my house. There's a tree growing outside in the defense land compound, and on this tree the weaver birds have started making their beautiful nests. These weaver birds are also known as Baya weaver birds. I can see about 8 or 9 nests, some of them completed, some of them have been discarded, and some are just starting to be made. The weaver birds are very active. The male weaver bird can be easily recognized with the bright yellow color on its head and on its chest or the breast. The female weaver bird it just looks like the common sparrow. It doesn't have the bright yellow marking. The surprising thing about the weaver bird family is it is the male weaver bird that solely makes the entire nest. The female has no part to play in the making of this beautiful nest. The female doesn't even help to bring the strands of grass or the bamboo leaf strands to help the male partner to make the nest. In fact, the female selects the partner only after some male bird has completed making the nest and she approves of it. Then only she selects him as a partner and selects the nest. And that's when both of them hitch on together to start a new family of their own. As I was videographing the weaver birds, the squirrel also came on the coconut tree just next to the area where the nests were being made. So I took a little video of the squirrel. It looks beautiful. You can see the squirrel as well as the weaver birds in the background and the nests surrounding them. The weaver birds started making the nests about a month and a half ago. Initially 3 nests were made, but all 3 were discarded. And suddenly this group of about 8 nests started. The squirrel climbs up from the hedge to the coconut tree and goes right up to the top, and I presume it is fond of the small coconut fruits which are very tiny and small, like marble size. That's the time when the squirrels enjoy them. The squirrels do not touch the coconuts once they become tennis ball size. this is the nest which is the smallest, that is, it was started the last, and the weaver, you can see the weaver bird distinctly building up the nest. I can see the weaver birds from my bedroom table where I sit on the computer. They are exactly opposite the window of my bedroom, and if I go out into the balcony, I get a clear view of all the 8 nests together. In fact, I have trimmed my hedge so that I get an absolutely clear picture of all the 8 nests together. The weaver birds are very industrious. They are always flying in and out from their nest area to get the strands. They select a particular type of grass or even the coconut leaves, which they strip to make strands and then sew them up and tighten up their nests. Normally, the weaver birds make their nests on very thorny trees, which are normally overlooking a water body also, because snakes are a big menace to the weaver bird nest. The snakes are always attracted once the eggs are hatched. That is why the weaver birds select an area where snakes cannot come. Surprisingly, this patch of 8 nests are nowhere near a water body, but they are on a thorny tree. I hope all of them survive. The nesting tree is just about, you can say about 30 meters from my bedroom balcony, and I have a Nikon Coolpix B500 camera, which is a point and shoot camera, but it has a fantastic zoom. It has a 40x zoom, and it is because of the zoom effect that I was able to make this video. I have been taking video clips of these birds for the last 5 or 6 days. In all, I had made about 15 to 16 video clips, which I later edited today morning and have joined them up. I presume the end product is quite okay. I have the Wondershare Filmora 9 software on my laptop, which helps me to edit these videos and convert them into one beautiful movie clip. Now you can see the female weaver bird pruning herself and decking up as all ladies do. She has selected this nest, she has liked this nest and selected this partner. Though she has had no say whatsoever in building the nest, she is like the queen who comes royally to occupy the palace, and she'll lay her eggs later on once the nest is complete. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I sincerely thank you for having the patience to watch the video.